Hey, it's Michael J. from iHeart Radio. Today is a really special day. It's install day with Beltway blinds. We're deciding to go with these plantation shutters, which my wife and I both love. We're going to show you the install. You're going to see how it happens, and I'll bet you by the end of this, you might want some too. Wow. It changes the feeling of the whole room, and it adds a lot of character to it. You guys did a really good job. Thank you very much, Beltway Blinds. I'm super happy. My wife is going to love this.